This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact username or email tied to the account because resets go to that address. Once done, try the current password one more time. Slowly watch for keyboard layout, caps lock, or extra spaces. Next, open the Roblox login page and click Forgot Password. Enter the registered email or username and submit. This sends a reset link or code. You need access to that inbox. If you can't access the email, stop here and prepare the recovery steps. You open the reset email right away because links and codes often expire. Use the link or paste the code into the Roblox site within 1 hour. Then choose a strong, unique password, 12 or more characters, mix uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols, and avoid reused passwords. After successful login, go to Settings, Security, and enable two-step verification. This adds a code via email or authenticator. Make sure to update any saved passwords in browsers or password managers to avoid conflicts. You finish by confirming account details. Verify the linked email, check family or group permissions, and remove unknown devices in security. Once everything is set, log out and back in to confirm the new password works on all devices, then sync your password manager. If the reset still fails, collect proof, username, purchase receipts, account creation details, and contact Roblox support. Be concise and factual. One troubleshooting tip. If you never receive reset emails, check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.